I know y'all missed me. I missed y'all too. But welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'm going to show you how I made this delicious breakfast sorbet. So let's get into it. Alright, so first I'm going to make the eggs. These are the ingredients that I'll be using. Of course, I'm using Spicy Girl and It's Lit lemon pepper. If you don't have these spices in your house, I don't know what you're doing. However, the link will be below to order up. So I'm going to crack my eggs in this bowl right here. And you want to beat them really well because I'm going to pop them into the oven. Now, what I do wish I had was a pie crust. No, I'm just kidding because I am making waffles. So, but that's like my favorite egg dish. Whipping up some eggs, some cheese, some meat, any kind of meat, and putting it into a pie shell and baking it off. It's the best thing ever. So I'm going to season this up with Spicy Girl and a little bit of It's Lit lemon pepper. And then I'm going to mix it up just like this. Don't judge my pan. Y'all know I be low on certain pans and pots, y'all, because I be busy doing other things. YouTube is not my only job. I use what I have just like regular people, okay? I'm just like you. I use the same aluminum pans. You know, sometimes it's basically about me not even having the time to wash anything, so I use aluminum pans, you know? But if you have a baking dish in your house that you love so much, you can use it. You don't need an aluminum pan. So I'm going to pour the mixture into the pan, and then I'm going to just start topping it off with all the toppings. So I'm adding cheese. I'm going to be adding some tomatoes. I'm going to be adding some spinach. But of course, you can use whatever toppings that you prefer or vegetables you love. Even if you saute up some zucchini will be great in here. So I've never tried eggplant, but I've seen eggplant. I don't even think I have many eggplant dishes on my YouTube channel. I need to pop that on here one day. I think one day I'm gonna pop out with a eggplant recipe. And yes, and I'm just gonna pop it in the oven and I'll show you guys what that looks like. Y'all know I wasn't gonna be making them waffles from scratch. Y'all know I'm not a baker child. But these are the ingredients that you'll need that I'm gonna be using. This waffle mix is what I got from Whole Foods. And basically I'm just, following the directions on the back. Except I'm using butter, and also I'm adding some raspberries into it for a little razzle dazzle and flavor. And that's it. So make sure you guys just follow the directions on the back. The rest, that mix is actually really good. It has good flavor to it. But I'm pretty sure any brand waffle mix, for people that eat waffles all the time, you probably can't tell the difference. So now I'm just going to mix it up, and I'm going to start chopping up some raspberries down in here. You could put as much or as little as you want. There's no measurements on the raspberries. It's totally up to preference. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to allow it to rest for about 10 minutes before I slice into it. You want to let it rest because, it needs to set. So now I'm just going to cook up my bacon, y'all. The minute I put the bacon down in the skillet, I wish I had threw it in my air fryer. Y'all know I love my air fryer. Cooking bacon on the stove can be so messy, and I just don't like it. So these days, I just throw it in the air fryer, and I keep it moving. Look at me, just burning myself. Out of being impatient. But, I'm obsessed with the air fryer these days. I was somebody that was kind of against it, too. When they first started popping, I was someone that was like, oh, my goodness, what the world? I'm going to burn the house down if I get that in my house. But then I was like, oh, okay. I understood what it really was. So here I am cooking my waffles. Of course, you can use whatever waffle maker you have. I found this super cute one on Amazon. And and it was Valentine's Day, actually, when I made this dish. So, you know, I just figured it was cute to go with the theme. And so that's what I use. But if you want the link to it, even though Valentine's Day is gone, child, I'll put it below. Also, you know, it's great for any day of the year, you know, birthdays, holidays, any day of the year, because I done used it like a few times already. But the waffles came out nice and perfect, fluffy and crispy on the edges. And then basically you just want to repeat the process. That's pretty much what I did. And then you're good to go. And so this is what it looked like. It was just really cute and I just liked it. So of course I'm going to make a little drinky drink. My baby father doesn't drink, so I definitely drank this drink. But I wanted to show you guys how to whip up a quick, easy mimosa kind of sorter, if you will say. So I'm going to add some orange juice, some ice and raspberries, and then your favorite wine. Now, this wine was super cheap. Kroger had a sale on for Valentine's Day weekend, and I just picked one up. I don't know if you could kind of see it. I think that wine was $5.99. They had a sale, a whole table full of wine, and I just picked one, you know, because I don't drink like that anymore since I've been on my journey, so I didn't care. So, yeah, so this is what everything looks like. So good, so cute. And it was well appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know what you think, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.